Hi guys, and once again I'd like to welcome you to my channel. Today is Shrove Tuesday and I'm going to show you how to make pancakes. So we need eggs, flour and milk. That's our ingredients, so let's get started. So I've added 2 cups of flour with 3 eggs and about a cup of milk. So we mix that up. I'm using an electric whisk. So as you can see, I have my batter made. And I'm going to leave it to sit now for just make sure, check her all around the bottom, which is perfect, that you've mixed up the flour completely so you don't get any floury bits in them when you make them up. So I'm going to let this sit now in the fridge for a couple of hours, and I will show you how fry them off. And I do them the traditional way with lemon juice and sugar and roll them up, so just like my mum used to do. So that's my technique. So I'll leave this to sit for a little while and I'll get back to you shortly. Okay guys, so welcome back, and I'm just about to fry up. I have a few already prepared, and I want to advise you to have a nice hot pan. As you can see, there's steam coming off that, so it's ready to go. And here's our batter. So it's as simple as this. Nice sizzle. Spread it around the pan nice and level. And then just send it all around the frying pan. Like so. Now I'm using coconut oil to fry. I have this prepared with my sugar and lemon juice. So we'll let it fry up and I'll show you how I roll them up. So this is ready to be turned now. So just get your turner, pop her straight over and fry her off on the other side. So I'm just going to get my sugar and sprinkle all over, and then get my lemon juice and out in the center, and then just roll it up. Oops. Just roll her up like so, and then lift it. Just lift it across. Lift it across to our hot plate. So there you have it, guys. So simple. Oh, it won't come off. So simple and so easy. And I'd like to wish you all a very happy Shrove Tuesday and enjoy your pancakes. Take care guys, and I'll see you all really soon for more great videos. Thanks guys. Bye bye.